How to buy XRP Ripple on Trust Wallet app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can buy the XRP Ripple on Trust Wallet app, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to buy XRP Ripple on the Trust Wallet app, it's actually quite very simple to do. Open up the Trust Wallet app and this is the kind of interface you will see. Then right there you'll find a buy option located there, so just tap on the buy option. Now in the search bar you simply want to search for XRP over there, then you'll find the one at the very top of the screen. Simply select it. Now enter the dollars worth of XRP that you want to buy. So let's say I want to buy for $100. I will get this much amount of XRP as it's written over there. Now you can choose to pay with Google Pay, which is recommended, but you can also choose other payment methods by simply scrolling and selecting credit card or bank transfer. Or you can simply go to buy with Google Pay option and select a provider. After that, then you'll be able to buy XRP Ripple on Trust Wallet app. This way you'll be able to buy XRP Ripple and Trust Wallet. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.